welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to do some smoked green chili cheeseburgers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right there. Ring that bell, you'll get notified whenever I do cooks. But for now, let me show you how I prepare the smoked green chili cheeseburgers, and we'll go from there. Okay, for my smoked burgers, I'm using a pound of hamburger. I'm going to use some Who's Your Sister sauce. That's a Guy Fieri wordage there for the Worcestershire sauce, Who's Your Sister sauce. I'm also going to use some garlic pepper. So I just poke some holes in the meat with my fingers, and then when I put the Who's Your Sister sauce on there, it's only about a tablespoon that you drizzle on there for a pound. And then after I get that drizzled on, then I get my garlic pepper, sprinkle that on. Just like that, as much as you want, little as you want, if you want. Okay, so now I'm going to squish it all together. Let me get it mixed up real good here. And then I'm going to separate it into 3 1/3 pound balls, kind of loose. And then I'm going to make these into patties about a 1/4 inch thick, because these will shrink a little bit, and I will still want them to fit the bun. So anyway, now let's get these out to the grill. Alright, I'm going to do these patties at 225 since they're kind of thin and they're going to shrink. We want plenty of smoke on them. There you go. Check them at about 30, but it's probably going to take 45 minutes or so to get these smoked up. So we'll be back. In about 30 minutes. Yes, sir. They're looking good. We'll keep that smoke rolling on them. One beautiful thing about having a Blackstone, even though this isn't a Blackstone video, is that we can do our French fries on the Blackstone while we're cooking the burgers, and then we can also toast up our buns. Anyway, back to the burgers. They're looking really good. I think I might just give them a flip. Go get my spatula. Look at all that smoke. Quick flip. Alright, these have been going, I think, 40 minutes in the smoke. Look how much smoke goes in there. And so I just turned it up to 250. We're just going to finish them off and pull them off. Well, we'll get our cheese on there and we'll pull them off. Okay, after turning to 250, it's been about 7 minutes. Look how nice those look. Nice and smoky. Turn them one more time. We're going to go about 5 more minutes. The internal temp I just checked was 140. Get them up a tiny bit higher, but 140 to 150, that'd be pretty good, but a little bit more. Okay. For mine, I'm going with the green chili on here for a couple minutes. Then I'll put the cheese to melt on top of it. The other two, they just want the cheese. They want to add the green chili as needed. So anyway, there's the green chili burger. And there's our buns and fries. Okay. Time for some cheese. Those, don't they look good? Oh man. Putting some pepper jack cheese on here. Right over my green chilies. Look at that. Let that cheese melt a bit. Come out and take them off. Time to get these babies off of here. Look at that. Oh man. Threw an onion on top of mine as well. Look at that. Oh yeah. Alrighty. I'm gonna flame off and get these inside. Alright, we got these inside. Just mayo, mustard, add some lettuce, get my tomatoes, get my patty, get my green chili patty with cheese right here. Stack it right on top. I'm just gonna put a little bit more onion. That onion is really sweet, so I'm gonna add a little bit more onion. Throw the top on it, and there you go. It is my green chili smoked cheeseburger. This is so good. Just check out this bite. Look at that. Oh man, perfect, perfect, perfect. Smoky one today. Okay, that's how you do it. I gotta tell you, man, smoked hamburgers, smoked cheeseburgers, and they're so good. They're so good. If you got a pellet smoker, you got to do some smoked cheeseburgers, hamburgers, whatever. Add a little green chili to it, a little pepper jack cheese, and you'll have one of the best smoked burgers you've ever had. You know, I mean, smash burgers are good on the Blackstone. They've got their certain flavor. They're delicious. Man, I tell you what, you got to have a smoked cheeseburger at least once or twice or 10 or 15 times in your life. Way more than that, actually. The smoked burgers, make you some up today. They are absolutely delicious. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.